Today's video is going to be on fractions, and more specifically, I'm going to show you examples of 1/2 and 1/4, or a quarter, as some people call it, types and examples. So let's go ahead and take a look at that now. So I just want to go over some vocabulary words real quick before I show you some examples. The first word is part, and that's a piece or a fraction of a whole. And for this example, I use 1/part of 1/3 of the whole. As you can see here, there is 1 part shaded in out of the 3 parts. Fraction, a part of a whole. For example, 1/2 of 6 equals 3 of 6 parts. So as you can see above me, 3 of the 6 parts are shaded blue here, and the other parts are white. So you can say that 1/2 of these are blue, or you can say 1/2 of them are white. Whole, something that is complete. It has all its parts. So I've got a circle here. As you can see, it's broken into 3 parts here. So you can say it's 3/3, or most likely you're going to say it's 1 whole. Numerator. A numerator is the number above the line in a fraction. In the fraction 2/5, the 2 is the numerator. So the number on top of the fraction is called the numerator here. And in this case, it's number 2. Denominator. A number in a fraction below the line, also called the divisor. So in this fraction, I have 3/4, and the number 4 is the denominator. That's the number that's at the bottom of the fraction, basically. So looking at this circle, or pie chart as some people call it, how much of the circle is green? So as you can see, it's basically split down the middle. So we know that 1/2 is green. So if we know that 1/2 of this is green, then how much of it is blue? That's right, it's also 1/2. How much of the circle is orange? Now, as you can see, it's been broken into 4 parts, 4 different colors. So how much of the circle here, or pie chart, is orange? That's right, it's 1/4. So in that case, how much of this is purple? That's right, it's also 1/4. So how much of the circle, or pie chart, is green? Yes, it's also 1/4. And how much of this is blue? That's right, it's also 1/4. So I'm showing here what 1/4 looks like. Some people also call them quarters because they're broken up into 4 parts. How much of the triangle is white? So here you have a whole triangle, and you can see it's been split, similar to what I just showed you. So how much of it is white? That's right, 1/2. How much of this square is black? So as you can see here, I've broken up the square into 4 parts, similar to what I showed you. So how much of it is black? That's right, it's 1/4, or you can say a quarter as well. How much of the rectangles are red? So as you can see, there's 8 of them, and how many of them are red? That's right, you can say it's 4/8. Or if you can take it a step further, you can also say it's basically 1/2 of these are red. How much of the octagon is purple? That's right, the whole thing is purple, so you can say 1, and there's not broken up into any parts, so I can't really tell you how many pieces it is, but it is 1. So for the bonus activity, I want you to tell me, how much of the pizza is there still to eat? So I've got 3 different images of the pizzas here, and you just tell me the fraction that it represents here. So can you think of any other food or ways to make fractions? Leave them in a comment down below. So I wanted to give you some examples of what 1/2 and 1/4 and what 1 whole look like using different types of shapes and images. Now there's a lot of ways you can actually make fractions here. So if you can think of any more, like I said, just drop them in the comments down below. That'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video.